while music. Today we're going to try some backsticking, okay, which is basically a complete performance element of drumming. It's not really going to help you get any faster or play your pieces better, but it's super fun and one of those impressive little party tricks you can do, and it does help with your coordination as well, okay? So this is something that you probably see maybe people doing a bit more on the hi-hat when they play, because it's up higher and people can see it. You rarely see it when people playing just on the drum, on the snare drum, okay? So, what it is, called backsticking, because it hits the back of your stick, or you're moving it backwards. Okay, we're using the butt of our stick. So, holding your stick just normally in match grip in your right hand. I'm just starting with the right hand because it's my lead hand. You can start with the left if you wish. And we're going to hit it normally, and then you almost throw the stick back on itself, hit it with the butt, and then come over again. So I'm using, if I just show up to the camera there, I'm using my middle finger here to help me move the stick round in the air. Okay, so I'm twisting my wrist and rotating my stick in my hand. If my three fingers here stay on, as they usually do, when I turn it, my arm is going to be at a really awkward position. So we don't really want to do that. We want to just throw it back into our hand, okay? That is probably going to take you quite a long time to get used to. So try it with your lead hand, and then try it with your other hand, and see if you can work on just getting some nice hits and getting that nice rotation and movement in your wrist and your arm. So that's the first thing you're going to have to do. After you've done that, maybe put a metronome on, and we're going to try and just put it in with a really simple single strokes pattern. So here are my single strokes, and I'm just going to count these as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got backward stick on 1, and then I come back round on 3. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you could try it left-handed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what you could do, if you're okay with that, you can go as slow as you like or as fast as you like. You could just try and put it in on different numbers. So if I put one in on 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just picked 1 on the first one because it will be my right hand, and then 2 on the second one because it will be my left hand. So once you've done that and you're comfortable with that, see if you can try and get it in something you're doing in your lessons, like a rudiment that you're doing or playing a song, and see if you can get a back stick in there somewhere, because it's more important to learn how to do it in time, because you might be able to do backsticking or any other performance element, but if you can't do it in time and you can't get it in your playing, nobody's going to see it, and then it's not as much fun as it should be. Okay, so you can try those, and I'll just show you one more thing that's quite nice to be able to practice it using singles and doubles with both your hands. So we're going to do a 7-stroke roll, which is a 6-tuplet, so 6 in one beat, and then you hit on the next beat. So if this is my beat, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So all in all, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to go, if I just do it, that's what it looks like. But if I do it without the backsticking, we get right, left, left, right, left, left, right. That is the pattern. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So it's two triplets. Right, left, left, right, left, left, right. And then what I'm going to try and do once you've got that is you go right, left, left, right, left, left, right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 is the back stick if you want to count it like that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. I tend not to ever count the word 7 in music just because it's 2 syllables. 4, 5, 6, 7. Doesn't really seem to fit. And then the reason that I'm showing you this is because it gives you a bit more time to do your backsticking, and also tiny little gap, and you can do it the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You could, instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then just do another hit. Or, if you want to be really fancy, and then that'll be, and then you'd have to flip it over again. So you can find your own patterns as you're doing it. As I'm doing one, I'm always thinking, oh, I could try this, or I could try this. So just get something simple going first, and then try a more complicated pattern and see if you can put these into your playing. Okay, so good luck with that, and I'll join you in another video soon.